Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our Healthy Life channel. Today, we're diving into a colorful and delicious recipe that not only ticks all the boxes for taste, but is also loaded with nutrition. Get ready to make a refreshing mango, dragon fruit, and banana smoothie that includes yogurt and fresh milk. But first, let's talk about our star ingredients and what makes them so special. Dragon fruit. Let's start with dragon fruit, also known as pitaya. This exotic fruit isn't just pretty on the outside, it's a powerhouse packed with nutrients. Dragon fruit is loaded with antioxidants, particularly vitamin C and betalains, which help combat free radicals in your body. It's also high in fiber, which aids digestion and helps keep you feeling full. Consuming dragon fruit regularly has been linked to improved gut health and a stronger immune system. Plus, it's low in calories, making it a guilt-free delight. Mango. Next up, mango, the king of fruits. Juicy, sweet, and incredibly versatile, mangoes are a fantastic source of vitamins A and C, promoting healthy vision and bolstering your immune system. They're also packed with dietary fiber, which not only aids digestion, but helps maintain a healthy weight. Did you know that mangoes contain enzymes that can aid in breaking down proteins? This might make your tummy feel happier after a meal. Banana. And then, we have bananas. Not only do they add creaminess to our smoothie, but they're also an excellent source of potassium, which is crucial for heart health and blood pressure regulation. Bananas provide quick energy thanks to their natural sugars and are an excellent option for athletes or anyone needing a healthy energy boost. Plus, the fiber in bananas can help keep you feeling satisfied and balanced throughout the day. What happens to your body after 7 days? Now, let's discuss what could happen to your body if you enjoy this delicious juice for 7 consecutive days. If you start drinking this smoothie daily, you might notice several positive changes. For starters, the combination of dragon fruit, mango, and banana brings a wealth of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, equipping your body to fight off illnesses more effectively. You may find that your energy levels rise thanks to the natural sugars and carbohydrates in the fruits. With consistent intake, your digestion may improve significantly due to the fiber content, helping to alleviate constipation and promote regularity. You might even notice your skin looking more radiant and glowy, thanks to the antioxidants from dragon fruit and the hydration from yogurt and milk. Furthermore, your mood may benefit as well. Bananas contain tryptophan, which helps in the production of serotonin, the feel-good hormone. Who doesn't love a mood boost in the morning? Now that we understand how these fantastic ingredients can benefit our bodies, let's get into making this delightful juice. How to make and serve your juice. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to preparing our mango, dragon fruit, and banana smoothie. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. For our smoothie, you'll need 1 ripe mango, peeled and chopped, 1 ripe dragon fruit, scooped out, 1 banana, sliced, 1 cup of yogurt, plain or flavored based on your preference, 1 cup of fresh milk, dairy or non-dairy, whichever you prefer. Step 2. Preparation. Begin by preparing your fruits. Make sure they're fresh and ripe for the best flavor. Chop your mango and banana and scoop out the dragon fruit flesh into a mixing bowl. The vibrant colors alone will make your mouth water. Step 3. Blend time. Now, place all your fruits into your blender. Add the yogurt and fresh milk. Blend until smooth. If you like a thicker consistency, add more yogurt or ice cubes. For a thinner texture, just add a bit more milk. Step 4. Taste test. Once blended, give your smoothie a taste. If you'd like it sweeter, feel free to add a little honey or a natural sweetener. Adjust to your preference. Step 5. Serve and enjoy. Pour your colorful smoothie into a glass or mason jar. You might want to garnish it with some slices of dragon fruit or a sprinkle of chia seeds on top for that extra touch. And there you have it. A delicious, nutritious mango, dragon fruit, and banana smoothie that's bound to refresh you any time of the day. Conclusion. So, whether you're starting your day with a vibrant breakfast or enjoying it as a midday pick-me-up, this smoothie is perfect for you. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you tried dragon fruit or any of these fruits together before? What changes have you noticed in your body after introducing healthy smoothies into your routine? Let's start a discussion in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, and share it with your friends and family. Your support helps us continue to create more delicious and healthy recipes. Thank you for joining me today, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Stay healthy and keep blending.